Munda stroll no. Nara market telekom dia.
Okay.
BSP Munda. Telekom Munda. Munda ladies. Munda evening walk.
Foto blender. Hemo posting ba? What different one like that one is posting.
Who?
Blue man.
Oh yeah, Blue MC Levano ba?
Hemo posting.
Okay. Main Street. Boy. How? Yeah.
Setup juga ini.
Oi! Different level must take him on. Best place na lo ya, best place. Bata ose mira na wena so. Weten tu fala main man lo frante. So to stroll no di sana ino kan le long water bat. So munda oh hena lo dia. Hem go bike ya. Unfortunately short stroll, just a short stroll, so we are now back at our residence. Then maybe later this evening we have another stroll, so yeah. Okay. Back to the house. All right. So this one I've got just water and some stuff. Okay.
Welcome to the accommodation. So nice.
Ano popo ya? Sa hero. Popo ita. Chili. So we spent 2 days in Munda at a low budget accommodation, but we loved it. We love the place, we love the people, and as usual we normally visit the place, so we'll come back next time.